Good afternoon, YouTube. What up, what up, what up? Hope everybody's doing great this afternoon, this evening, this morning. We just got here at this facility, the Amazon facility. We are picking up a load, taking it to Minnesota. It's gonna be in Minneapolis and we'll be dropping off at the airport. I was backing up into my dock 121. I'm about to go lower down my lift gate. So that we could back in correctly. That's good. Get back in the truck, reverse back, then go inside and find out. Go inside and find out how many pallets gonna be loaded with. So, I'm gonna go ahead and back up a little bit. As you can see that right there. Go back in and confirm that we're good. We overshot it, as you can see, so I need to go back forward a little bit so at least the plate can lay on top of my lift gate. So, gotta put it in drive, actually in neutral, try to move forward a little bit. I think that's good. Let's go find out. I might have to go back a little bit more. See that space? Just a tad bit, and then we should be good to go. I believe that should be good. Let's just double check again. Yeah, that plate should land on top of that pretty well. Yeah, that should be good. All right, let's go inside and find out how many pallets are going to be loaded. If I'm able to film, I will. If not, I'll come back outside and tell you guys how many pallets have been loaded with. See you in a bit. As you can see in that photo, we got loaded with 3 pallets. Quite heavy actually. Like I dropped it on the truck and it kind of like sunk down. That was weird. Anyways. That was loud as something else. I think that should be good to roll. Shouldn't be moving. That's how we usually do it. Yep, so let's get on the truck and roll. We got loaded with 3 pallets. And what we're trying to do right now is we are in a pickle because I booked 2 loads, one for going to Minnesota and one for coming back, but now there's a small overlap between time, so I have to make sure I get there at exactly 11 or 11:15 at the latest, because my next load picks up at 12 and I need to be there so I can be able to pick it up. So we're gonna giddy up, head on out. It's a bit misty today, but it's all good. We're gonna giddy up, head on out, and get there as quickly as we can so we can be able to offload quickly and then be able to pick up my 12 o'clock load. My 12 o'clock load, I have to check in at 12, so it would be great if I can do that, so I don't have an issue with them canceling the load or anything like that. So we are gonna rush, not right, we're not gonna speed. That's one thing I don't do, is speed, but I'm gonna make sure that I've already fueled up. I mean, I've got a full tank. I did get myself a beverage from Pilot, and which that's good. So now it's pretty much just, you know, heading out and making sure that I am on time. I'm not gonna stop. It's what, a 3-hour drive, 3.5-hour drive, 237 miles. So it should be pretty good. We should have enough time to also haul back on our clock over here. So I'm not much worried about that. I think the only thing I'm worried about is making sure that the load is not cancelled or late for a reason that may arise due to me not getting there on time and stopping. So let's get on the highway. We are gonna take 80 and then connect with 35 north and drop off at the airport.
Yeah. Yo. It's that time again to get busy with it. Best go find your friends and get jiggy with it. Cause we lighting the flame to get the city lit a little bit. Ain't no game, but be feeling it. It's pure love when the climate's nice and when the sun gon' shine a light and ignite the sky. It's hitting with the vibes we like, so I wanna see your body moving side to side. Now let's go. Show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight. Show me what you got tonight. You better show me what you got tonight. Cause you know we wanna rock it right, and you know we wanna rock it right. So show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight. Who's that? Beat too fat. Where's Duke's at? He's back with a new track. I'll do that. Just let the tune slap. We're bringing the crew back and spitting a few raps. Come join, don't ignore the fun. We're gonna grab a glass, let me pour the rum. We got brass on our floor to the floor, the drums. We're gonna dance till we glance at the morning sun. So tell me what you're thinking. Let me know just what you're drinking. Little bit of ice and Bacardi lime. You better hold that tight when it's party time. But when the sun sets, you know what comes next. There ain't no contest. We go, we don't rest. Stress free with my favorite people. Blue skies, red nights, and I made the sequel. Stand up, we got something to celebrate. The energy's high and the vibe will elevate me. Hands up, cause the love will never fade and never decline, and the rhyme will educate me. I know you know that happiness is the only way to set you free. So come on, bring back the beat and let's live it till we kick it for the world to see. Show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight. Show me what you got tonight. You better show me what you got tonight. Cause you know we wanna rock it right, cause you know we wanna rock it right. So show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight. Throw your troubles away, I'm afraid that they ain't got nothing to say. Get down, cause we gotta bust up something today. Straight bumping, cutting the shapes up in the place like whoa. Yeah, you got it moving when you're dripping the sauce on the floor. Know what you're doing and you're giving me more. And of course you stay fluid with the rhythm of yours. Oh Lord, and you know it. Tell me, it's your choice and let me know. Just pick your poison, do 2 shots of Corona Chase. You're gonna dance all night like we own the place. Yo, show me what you got. Cause right now we're doing shot. Can't fall down, get right back up. Because you know that the party don't stop. Stand up, we got something to celebrate. The energy's high and the vibe will elevate me. Hands up, cause the love will never fade and never decline, and the rhyme will educate me. I know you know that happiness is the only way to set you free. So come on, bring back the beat and let's live it till we kick it for the world to see. Show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight. Show me what you got tonight. You better show me what you got tonight. Cause you know we wanna rock it right. Cause you know we wanna rock it right. Come on. So show me what you got tonight. I said, show me what you got tonight.
Alright guys, we made it like a few minutes ago. There was some issues trying to get them to understand that I was dropping off a load and picking up another one, but at least finally we got it all squared out. So I'm being loaded right now. I'm not sure how many crates I'm getting, but we'll find out. And we'll see. This is going back tonight. It's gonna be dropping off by 6 in the morning, if I'm not wrong. Oh, sorry, 5:28 in the morning. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So we'll go from there. Alright, we are all set, good to go. We got our seal and we signed our paperwork, so we are all good to go.
Turn left on Rack 3 Road, then take the second left.
So if we head out right now, we'll get there at 3:32. Probably gonna go stop at a Flying J, use the bathroom, and then probably relax for like 10 minutes and then drive on. The Flying J is about 37 miles from here.
Turn
So
left on East 77th Street, then take the ramp on
that's
the
what
right.
we're gonna do. So I'll probably see you guys at the Flying J. See ya. Oh, good morning, people. Well, not good morning, but hello. So we just arrived at the Amazon facility, and it was a bumpy, sleepy, but very, very careful drive. So we're about to go inside and check in and see where we're supposed to drop off this load. Let's find out. So we just got offloaded. Oh, I should say I went inside and unloaded myself, because I can go inside the truck apparently. Which is okay. So now we're gonna go find a place to chill before we pick up our final load, which is at 12 p.m. today. So it is 4:48. So we're gonna find a place to chill, probably sleep, take a nap until 12:15, and then we're gonna go pick up our final load to drop home. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go find our spot real quick, and then we'll go from there. pickup. This one is a direct. It's picking up here in Des Moines, headed to Iowa City. Should be a pretty easy pickup and drop, but we're about to find out. I'm a bit early. I'm supposed to be here by 12:15. It is 11:25. I'm thinking of waiting until 11:40, give or take. I'm actually curious if they're ready for me or they're gonna tell me to come back later. Sometimes they do that. Anyways, let's tap so we can start work. Good morning. Yep. Sorry. It is. Oh boy. Give me a second. I wasn't ready for that one. Sorry, I wasn't ready for that one. Give me 1 second. Sorry? Okay, now I see the problem. No, I'm supposed to be a DSM-5. I'm so sorry. Yeah. I sure do. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. Bye. Well, ain't that embarrassing? I'm on the wrong side. I thought it was this area and I'm supposed to be on the other side. Oh boy, that is not good. Not good at all. But the good thing is we came in early, so we do not have to worry about getting there late. Let me change these status real quick. I don't want to be violated. Don't want to be in violation. Come on. Thank you. Let's say off. Let's do on. Save. And we should be good. It's gonna be using our split clock. Yeah. Oh, I came in early. At the wrong place. Embarrassing. Sometimes this is a good reason why it's good to come in early. So if hiccups like this happen, you kind of have plenty of time to go to the other side. It's actually literally across the street, and you'll see that in a few seconds. It's not that far out. Oh no. Yeah, it's not that far out, so we are just gonna take this road, cross the street, and we should be there. I was wondering why my GPS wasn't activating. Very interesting. So we're supposed to go to that facility over there. Not this one we just left. So we're just gonna cross this main road, and then we'll go to the guard shack and check in on that one. So this one is different. They tend to, you don't call, they tend to give, you do a video call. So I might have to put you guys down for a little bit. Before anything else, I'll put you guys down for a little bit so I can check in and then go from there. I usually double check. I can't believe I did that today, but it is what it is. So we're gonna pull up here, turn off our engine, check in, and we should be golden. So here what they do is they tell you to go to the driver lounge and you check in. So that's what we're gonna do. So see you guys in a second. So they did say we are a bit early. I'm supposed to go to what parking spot did I believe they said 5 something. 563, and then they're gonna give me a call. 563. This is this one. But to be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna do that parking spot. I'm gonna go where it's close to the driver lounge and wait over there, because what happens is when you go to the driver lounge and you communicate with those guys inside, they'll tell you to just chill, and they will let you know where to dock at, what dock number. And I kind of have a clue which area we should be docking at. I may be wrong, but I kind of have an idea. So let's head out that way and see if that's where we will need to be, or if I'm completely wrong, and how long am I. So we're gonna turn here, and then we will go to there's a little place where they put bobtail trucks just right here, and the driver lounge is right here on this section right here on the building. So that's where we'll be going for sure. So I'm thinking of putting myself here and waiting. Well, it's actually taken. That stinks. So what are we gonna do? 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 I'll put myself here and wait. Alright, we're gonna chill here until we get a dock, and then after that we'll go to our dock. It should be one of these docks right here. I'm gonna guess 119. That's my guess. I think this is gonna get done being loaded, and then they're gonna call me. If not, 121. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, let's just chill, wait, and find out. We'll wait for our actual arrival time before we have to go into the driver lounge and check in. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we were given dock 132, so I was wrong. 132, I believe it's on the other side. So we're gonna head that way and dock ourselves. We're gonna go dock ourselves. We're gonna go dock ourselves. One 132, we are going to dock 132. 132. Alright, big man, you gotta move, man. Nice and steady, but I gotta go here, so you got to go. I have an idea. I think he's going that slow so he doesn't activate his ELD. Maybe he's on his brake, I don't know. 132. Here we go. This always comes up. Yeah, that's good. Okay, he's looking good. I know you guys can't see it, but trust me, it's looking good. It is looking real good. Alright, be right back. I gotta go remove the drop down the lift gate. Alright, lift gate has been deployed. And now we're back in nice and easy. A little tap will be great. Whoop, there we go. You're already in there. I want to make sure I move forward a little bit. Right there, that's good. Let's just go confirm if it's good to go. Beautiful. It is good to go. So let's go inside, get our load, and we should be golden. Alright guys, we got loaded with one pallet that has 5 boxes. I don't know how awesome that is or how crazy that is, but instead of that heading home, at least I get to carry 5 individual boxes. That's crazy. 5 individual boxes. I think that's awesome and crazy at the same time. I'm grateful. All right. Let's sweet. All right, let's go deliver this little bad boy. Call it a day. We'll see if we can pick one up for tonight or whatever. All right, we'll see. Oh boy, my clock has been running, only has 1 hour and 32 minutes to go. Oh man, that's not good. That's not good at all. I wonder how long it's gonna take me to get there. Let's find out. Alright. Okie dokie.
Turn right, then take the first right.
Thank you, Karen. Sharon, whatever your name is. Alright, we're gonna head home. Well, I'm gonna go drop this off and then go to my little mini terminal. It's the lightest load I ever carried, 5 boxes, which is very funny. I think when I tell my wife that I carried 5 pieces, 5 tiny boxes, like literally, like you know how when you receive your Amazon package, it's like a little tiny box. It's like 5 of those. So it doesn't weigh anything. So it's like I'm going home empty, but I'm being paid for it, which is great. Anyways, let's head home. We're gonna try to see if we can pick up our load tonight. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. Right now I'm a bit tired, but I know if I get home and I take a good nap, should be good for a quick run tonight. A local run. And start off the week pretty well.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on US 65.
Let's check out here and see what we need to do. Alright, thank you. And we are green light to go. Green light to go, tap to check out. And let's navigate to our drop off location. And then home time.
Turn right at the traffic light.
It's been a great week of hustling. Weekend of hustling. I've really enjoyed it. And
now turn right.
I'm not going that way. I'm gonna go through the highway. Hey, they're both telling me go this way. Alright, I'll go this way then. I've never been, so I might as well. I didn't know they both wanted me to go this way. Never used this route before, so let's find out. It'll be actually a good time to find out. I'll be there at 2:45. 2:45?
After 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Grand Street South and then turn left.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Grand Street South, then take the first right.
The heck? Alright. Yeah, 2:45 is good. That's what? 14:45? And this one is telling me 15:11. So let's giddy up home. Alright, see you at home. We are about 4.9 miles until drop off. I was thinking of picking a load tonight. The one that I wanted is gone. Somebody took it on the low, which is fine. Everybody's entitled to picking up their loads at their specific time, whatever you want to call it. So I think for me, I want to pick up a really good load if I'm going to leave the house today. Or I should say tonight.
In 4 3/4 miles, turn left on Heinz Road.
Disgusting outside, a bit of muggy cloudiness. I'm not sure if this is the Canadian fire smoke still, but doesn't look too pleasant. Get a cup of coffee later on here. nice Range Rover. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Turn left to the traffic light.
Now turn left and then you will reach your destination.
Alright, we are here. It's a very, very bumpy
2500 Highest
bumpy
Road on the
road.
right.
Truck entrance are
Reach your
here.
destination. It's on your right.
Thank you. And I believe the check-in area is right here, where it says drivers, truck drivers check, and that's where we're gonna go. Available dock doors. Okay. All right, let's go find out what dock are we gonna get and go from there. All right, we just docked at 116. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and get offloaded. Well, we offload. We just make sure that they watch us offload, which I'm perfectly okay with, because every time I go to the airport and they're offloading me, I never put my pallet jack the way I want it to be put, and so it keeps dancing in the back of the truck. So I always have to stop somewhere and fix it up. Anyways, let's go back inside and get offloaded. Oh, offload. Forgot to film. Anyways, just got done unloading, and it was pretty easy, pretty smooth, very nice. Anyways, let's end the video here. It's been a great day, a great weekend, and if we do end up picking up another load tonight, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna film it, and we can be able to show you guys what a 20-foot box truck can do on Amazon. Never doubt yourself, never doubt your ability to succeed. Stay motivated, stay positive, and stay blessed. See you guys.